found this at Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd pick it up and check it out. It's a outdoor furniture playset. There's a UPC code if you need it. It comes with 2 chairs and a table, and the chairs are pretty cool. The pieces fit together pretty easy. There's no left side, right side, upside, down side, so you could put it together any way you want. There's no tabs that snap in and stay in, so they could come apart, which makes storing pretty easy, which I think is cool. I also like that the chairs are white, not pink, so you don't have to repaint them. So if you wanted to just pick up this playset for the chairs and make it your own table out of scratch, that's fine. I think that'd be good. The table goes together pretty easily. There's 2 sides, and there is a left side and a right side. This bar goes between the 2, and then it snaps into place. And this is also not a permanent tabs, so you can pull it apart, which makes storage easy. Only problem, it's pink, but we could take care of that. If you wanted, you could probably paint this with a Krylon, but I have a different idea. I have this aluminum tape. It's actual metal tape. They use it in air conditioning and HVAC stuff, and it sticks to this plastic pretty well. A couple of sheets, and I've already got a table with a metal top. I think this is a pretty easy fix. I just wrapped the edges around, and there you go. It's done. It's a metal table now. I don't really care that the bottom side is still pink. You'll never see the bottom side in any photos. And the legs will still snap into place with no problem. I think this would be pretty easy to spray paint or color, probably like a brown or whatever, or maybe even black would look better. My 2 favorite action figures are TB League bodies, and they fit pretty well in these chairs. Classic collection G.I. Joes and probably the vintage ones would probably fit better. This table would look great in like a, probably like a mess tent or something like that. It's a nice table, not too bad, and for $1.25, it's pretty good steal, especially since you get 2 chairs out of it. I think it'd be really easy just to use the chairs and put the table somewhere else. I really like these chairs. They're a nice size. They're white, and the G.I. Joes, even my TB League ones, fit pretty good in them. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's a good buy for just the table and chairs? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.